These are some exciting times because finally, high growth stocks are on sale. So in this video, we're going to talk about 3 high growth stocks that I believe have started to show some good value. Now, they could have some more room to drop. They could bottom out here and start shooting up higher. I don't know. I don't have access to a crystal ball, unfortunately. But I'll tell you what, if you guys get 1,000 likes on this video, I will make another video with more high growth stocks that I'm personally watching that I believe have good upside in the future and, are on sale right now. So anyways, without wasting any time, let's get into it. Our first stock I want to talk about is FSLY. You may have heard of this name because we've talked about it on the channel before. The stock chart shows that we're down nearly 42% currently, which is very close to the 50 moving average where it has found support at. The last time the stock sold off, this is exactly where it found support, so this could be a good entry for the stock. Now, FSLY is a player in cloud computing, and their simple definition is that they are a CDN content delivery network company that helps users view digital content more quickly. They're pretty much optimizing on the viewer's experience. Additionally, FSLY also provides security, video delivery, and edge computing services. They have big customers like Wayfair and Shopify, so this is important because this shows that they are a successful business. Now, this company recently reported their earnings, and this is important. They had a double miss, EPS missed by 3 cents, revenue missed by $35,000. But the total customers grew from around 1951 to 2047, which is a modest increase, but an increase nonetheless. The real star of the show here, though, was their revenue growth of 42.6% year over year, which is absolutely monstrous. Now, this company is very interesting because it checks off the boxes that investors are looking for today. High growth, we just saw that. They are a high growth company. SaaS, yep, that's their business model. Cloud, yes, they are a cloud company. Bright future? Yeah, I think they're a pretty bright future. As long as people keep consuming content, there's a need for their services. What I like about FSLY is that they are a fairly small business today. They're like under a $10 billion market cap, which means they have a lot of potential to still grow as the need for their services keep growing in our, internet first digital world. The downside though with FSLY is that they are not profitable. They are volatile. The stock is extremely volatile like you saw. So there could be more downside here and a pretty wild swing down before we finally move higher. So keep that in mind. But I will say that after this 41% correction, it's hard to justify not, nibbling a little bit on the stock. But full disclosure, I don't own it just yet. The next stock I want to talk to you about is Corsair. And for you gamers out there, you know this brand. The charts are down 27%, but it's a fairly new stock, not even 1 year old on the market. It seems to be forming a base here and creating higher lows, which is a bullish sign. Corsair is a company that develops a lot of high-end products for gamers primarily, like keyboards, headsets, memory, heck, even gaming chairs, which I have right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a Corsair gaming chair. Absolutely love this gaming chair. It's super comfortable. And honestly, I think that this is a great brand with great products. Now, I spent a lot of time sitting in this chair because I gotta edit these videos and, think of content to create and all that stuff. So I spend hours sitting in this chair and it's so comfortable. I never come out with any back pain or anything like that. So highly recommend it. I love this chair and it's definitely a reason why I look into this business a bit more. So now they also posted their earnings here, which was stronger than FSLY. They had a double beat. EPS beat by 7 cents, revenue beat by 26 million. The revenue was also up by 70% year over year, which was absolutely phenomenal. The fear with this stock, this business, is that 2020 was like a golden year for them because everyone started working from home, everyone needed to purchase their equipment, peripherals, all that kind of stuff. And while there is some truth to that, while 2020 was an abnormal year for growth and probably 2021 onwards won't be seeing 70% plus, I think that because of last year, they have solidified so many more customers. Now when customers think, oh, I need to buy a new mouse, I need to buy a new keyboard, a new chair, they're gonna think Corsair, they're gonna go to that brand and they're gonna purchase that product because it's a product that works. It's a brand that, prides itself on high quality and consumers seem to love it. Anyways, I'll be honest. I like the fact that the fundamentals for this stock are strong. They are expected to grow next year. Although it is less than this year, it's still a good trajectory for their growth. I like the fact they have a strong brand. I like the fact the technicals are lining up for a nice reversal. And heck, you know what? On Friday, I actually did open up a position in this stock, and those in my VIP group were notified. So if you want to get notified on any of my updates, any of the stock purchases or sales, check out the link description down below to a VIP group. And in there, you'll get access to a Discord where I disclose whenever I buy or sell a stock. For those of you that, are so curious on my track record and whether I actually make money on my investments and all of that, I post everything in there. All my trades are cataloged. You can scroll through. You can see exactly when I bought stocks, what price I bought it for, and what that price is today. Now, the third stock I want to talk about is Unity Software, and this is a good one. Unity Software is down around 35% after their last earnings report disappointed investors. This company is also big in the gaming space, like Corsair, but very different model, very different business. Because what they do is they provide a platform for game developers to create their games on. And you may have heard of their competitors like Unreal, the Unreal Engine. Well, Unity is pretty much universally seen as a better platform than that. Now, this is the largest company of the bunch. The other two were pretty small. Corsair is around like a $4 to $5 billion company. Fastly, like we said, around $10 billion. This company is around $30 billion. So they reported earnings as well early February, and it came in pretty good. Investors were expecting more. They had a revenue beat, they have an EPS beat, gross margin slightly missed, but again, revenue was up 39% year over year. The difference though is that this wasn't like a one-time revenue growth spike that they saw. I believe this will actually continue for a long time because they are kind of a core service, if you will, for the gaming industry, which is booming and will keep booming. So this company should benefit tremendously from that massive opportunity over this next decade. Now, I know a lot of you want me to also mention that Kathy Wood purchased into this stock recently, and yes, she did buy in, or ARK Invest bought in actually. I don't know if it was her specifically, but ARK Invest did buy into Unity Software, and it is one of their positions, that they believe in. So if that holds any weight for your analysis, that's just another fact to consider. The other thing I noticed was that when I was looking through analysts, they also seemed to be pretty optimistic on the future of this stock. So, if you're looking at the big dogs, the professionals out there, it seems like the general consensus is positive for the outlook of Unity. So who knows, this may end up just being a short-term fire sale for the stock where we reverse and move much higher and, lots of opportunity to make money in. Now, full disclosure, I am not currently in this stock today. I may get in if we drop a little lower, we'll see, but valuation-wise, this one is one of the more expensive ones. But anyways, those are the three stocks, guys: Corsair, FSLY, and Unity Software, no particular order. Like I said, the one I own is Corsair, and I'm thinking of making a video on that, a dedicated one. If you want to see it, let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, if we get 1,000 likes on this video, I will make another video covering more high growth stocks that I believe are on sale, if you will, and have good opportunity to make us a good amount of money in a fairly short period of time, all things considered. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to invest positively, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.